toasty and warm.
It's like summer over here, even though it's fall.
So, guys, last video you saw we changed the throttle position sensor, which is way down here. Now we're going to change the map sensor right there. So on the back firewall, but it's because of our error codes. So if you missed it, go check the last video for them wonderful error codes, which I think were 14 and 24. So y'all stay tuned. We'll show you how we install this. Really simple, and how it sounds after. Okay, so replacing the hardest sensor to get to on the Jeep, the map sensor. It's right there. So we're just going to plug in the new map sensor, hang it there, and see how it runs.
Oh, this is on.
That's on there, huh? Okay, so now we're just going to hang the new map sensor on there. And so, why don't you wrap it around that cord cable here? There. Then put it on so it hangs on there. This one's gray, the other one's black and greasy. Maybe the other one was gray to start with. And then we'll start it to see how it sounds. But I think we're narrowing down. Well,
this should take off the check engine light.
Okay, and now he's going to start the Jeep.
Ready?
Put the toolbox down. So, still doing it. That's what our sound is. Okay. Okay, so we've tested the map sensor and we've got the throttle position sensor in, and we still have issues. It still has sputtering, but all our codes are gone. So we have no more codes, and we're going to start looking at fuel issues. So right now he's pulling the bolts out so we can mount our map sensor. And it's in there, all our codes are gone, so we're good. Right, Brandon?
Yep. Ooh, if I drop this bolt, I'm glad it's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah, but it's tiny.
Don't drop it then.
I'll try not to. Here's the old one.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Nice and greasy. So here's the old one. We have this one. Well, I dropped it, but we had that one.
What? Why? It's like you just let it go.
Where'd it go?
Wow.
I don't know. It fell down there somewhere. Okay.
Where did it go?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
You dropped it somewhere over there, so it has to be somewhere over there.
I don't see it.
Alright, it's gone.
Come find it.
It'll fall on the road.
Come on.
Someday.
Come on, find it.
Well, why do you have to make everything difficult?
I just do. Sure it didn't fall down?
Yeah, well, I mean, you clearly dropped it.
Clearly did. Okay, let's go back to installing.
Alright. Well, it'll fall on the road at some point.
Okay, so clearly I'm not supposed to hold anything because I'm Chris the dropper. But he's going to install or bolt back up the new one. And somebody gets a free broken map sensor.
Yeah.
Somewhere on the road. We'll find it. It won't go on the road. We don't litter like that.
It's a good one. It's car parts.
Literally, your car parts are falling off going down the road in a Jeep.
I need that one bumper sticker to say what parts fall off home.
This sucker is a 9/32.
Oh, that's working.
No, you can't torque them down too much. They're very small.
That should be good. Oh, and you gotta plug in that and this little line right here.
Mm-hmm.
That just fell off, so you need to get the other one and put it on there. Alright, Dad, go find the other one. This will only fall off when you really pull on it.
Yeah, that's fine, Brian.
Oh, this is
the other line's too tight.
Yeah, it's really.
We couldn't even get that off. So that's it. That's done. So clip, done. 2 bolts. So he's playing with the old map sensor.
Yeah.
And he really squished that on there.
Coming off. Yeah, look. It's wrapped around it. Pry it off.
I think I can get it off. Let's see. Wow, you really got the sucker on here.
Why? You cheated and still can't get it off?
I used a screwdriver, but yeah, that really stretched it out. That would probably make a great seal on the other one too. Wow, that's still hot. That was not the problem though. So, here we go again.
It helped.
It got rid of the air coats. So that was a good
It's
thing.
an old Jeep. It probably needed to be fixed anyways. I mean,
Probably, because, you know,
probably a 2004 part that we just replaced.
no, probably 1994.
Oh. Our other son's car was a 2004. Okay, so this one's a 94. Yeah. It probably has not been replaced since 94.
So, now we're going to go in and next video, we're going to check the fuel pressure, see if we have a fuel pressure issue. And hopefully, you know, that's going to give us our fuel pressure on a rail, but not our injector ports, but it would give us some starting point. So that would be good. So y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll show you how to do that.
This has been a long project, guys, okay? And it's never ending. And hopefully we can fix the Jeep.
Yep, and for all y'all who don't like my wife in the video, tough. She's going to be in the video, because I like her here.
Hi, guys. I love you.
She is my yin to the yang here. So that's how that works.
He's not putting this in the video. No. None of it.
Yeah,
okay, maybe a smidge of it, but not that part.
It'll be there. But, hey, all y'all who do follow and like in the great comments, we love it. And thank you so much. Your support means a great deal to us. It makes us feel better.
What is it?
Get the love, yeah. So, like the love. And y'all keep following this Jeep. We'll figure it out. And like I said, go check.
Close. It's getting close. It's getting better and better every time we do something to it. So we're getting close.
And y'all go check out the recipes on that blog too. I try to write some things too, but she writes much better than me. And if you like this channel, feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. It's down there. Looks like this.
It's so hot in Florida still. We are in fall. My husband is sweating his booty off right now. And I'm pretty sweaty too.
And we're over a hot Jeep.
I'm sorry for y'all people that watch us that are in snow right now. Because it is hot.
But it's only October.
It's October and it's hot.
And with that, we're sweating down here. Y'all freezing up there. Y'all please take care.
We babbled so much. I'm sorry.